Hello students, in this video we will talk about weaving patterns. First of all, let us know what is a polygon. So, polygon is any 2D shape formed with straight lines. The name tells you how many sides the shape is having. The name of the figure will help you in identifying that how many sides it has. So, here you can see it is a triangle. It is having 3 sides. So, triangle tri. Tri means 3. So, it is having 3 sides. So, it is a triangle. Now, what are the shapes with different number of sides called? So, the shape that is having 3 sides is known as triangle. The shape that is having 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. Quadri means 4. So, the shape that is having 4 sides is known as quadrilateral. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides is in this picture. So, this is a quadrilateral. In pentagon, there are 5 sides. Let us count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, it is having 5 sides. So, it is known as pentagon. Similarly, you can count the number of sides in these pictures. Hexagon, 6 sides. Heptagon, 7 sides. Octagon, 8 sides. Nonagon, 9 sides. Decagon, 10 sides. So here hepta stands for 7. Octa, 8. Nona, 9. Deca is 10. You can learn about these different shapes. Here you can see the weaving patterns. Let us know about the weaving patterns. Golu and Binu went to the market with their aunt. They saw many rugs. Rugs are known as daris. So, what Golu say? Wow, so many colors. Binu also tell, so many shapes. Circles, triangles. See the patterns. So, here can you identify the different geometrical shapes? Yes, I can see here. There are circles. There are hexagon. Here you can see the different squares. The picture is made by the different squares. Here you can see the pattern. The circle is there. Okay. So you can see square is there. Kite shape is there. Okay. Circle is also there again. So you can find different kind of patterns here. Just draw these shapes in your notebook. The shapes that you identify in this daris. So, is any shape repeating in a particular pattern? Which ones? So, आपको कोई ऐसी शेप दिखाई दे रही है जो कि रिपीट हो रही है बार बार एक पैटर्न में. So, here are different shapes which are coming in a particular pattern. See, here hexagon is coming again and again, again and again. Here you can see so many circles and then a circle, 2 circles. Okay, and again you can see bigger circles, then smaller circles. Okay, here you can identify the pattern. So, are the shapes made of curved lines, straight lines, or both curved and straight lines? So, the shapes are made of both curved and straight lines also. See, here the picture is made of curved lines. This is the shape made of curved lines. Here you can see the hexagon. It is made of the straight lines. Similarly, this is also made with the help of straight lines. Here you can see the pattern. It is made by curved line. Now we will talk about the different floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor which has designs? Here you can see one of the floor pattern, okay, which is having the design. So, do you know how these designs are made? These designs are made by covering the floor completely with small tiles that fit into each other without any gaps. For example, look at the shape of this tile and see how it fits. So, here in this pattern, you can see there are two kinds of tiles here. So one tile is like this and one tile is like this. Here you can see that the tile is first capped horizontally and then vertically. Similarly, horizontally and then vertically, then horizontally, then vertically. Then it is a pattern. So now a pattern is made with the help of these tiles, and this pattern is known as floor patterns. You can see no gap is there in between the different tiles. So this is how you fit the tiles to make a floor pattern which will look good on your floor. Otherwise it will be having gaps in between and it will not look good on your floor. Now look at this tile with 6 sides. See how tiles of this shape can cover the floor completely without any gaps. So how you can make these tiles fit so that there will be no gap. So it is shown here that how you can make these tiles shape and cover the floor without any gap. Just see and observe. Among the following, can you match the tiles with the design that they will make on the floor? Draw lines to match. So let us see this first picture. What you see that it matches with which tile? So here we can see that it matches with these tile. Next one is this. So here you can see a particular pattern, okay, in a square shape. So whom did it match? Yes, it is matching with this tile. So see your answer with mine. Next one is this tile. So can you tell me which one it is? Yes, it is matching with this one. Here you can see a bigger triangle. Here also the bigger triangle is there and then two small triangles. So in this also there are two small triangles. Now you can see this one is left. So it is matching with which tile? Yes, this is matching with this tile. Now just tally your answer with mine. Now complete the following tiling pattern. Try to do it at your home. The answer is like this. Now match your answer with mine. Again, this question is for you. Complete this pattern. Compare it with the pattern on the page number 70, which also uses six-sided shape. So, what is the difference between the two? So, both the shapes are regular hexagons. The only difference is that on rotating any one of the shapes by 90 degree, another shape appears. Now there is one question for you that Khushbu and Hariz live in Agra. One day they went to see the Taj Mahal. The floor had the pattern shown below. So what Khushbu say? I can see two different tiles in this pattern. But Hariz say, I think only one type of tile has been used. What do you think? So I think that both of the tiles are same. When the tile is capped as horizontally and this tile is capped as vertically. But the both are having the how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both are having 6 sides. So it is a hexagon. Okay. So only one type of tile has been used in this picture. I hope you all enjoy doing these questions. Thank you.